गुड आफ्टरनून गाइज। हाउ आर डूइंग? मीट इंग्लिश बोलते नहीं? आई स्पीक इंग्लिश बोली भी थी, बोली थी कि नहीं? आई स्पॉक। चलिए, जैसा मैंने कहा था कि आपका कन्वर्सेशन क्लास होगा, तो इट्स कन्वर्सेशन क्लास टुडे। आज आपका कन्वर्सेशन क्लास है और डू डज डिड मतलब तीनों को साथ में लेकर के आपको चलना है। एक एक्शन को लेकर के 4 क्वेश्चन आपको पूछने हैं। गॉट इट? एनी प्रॉब्लम? विल कम फर्स्ट। कौन आएगा पहले? चले तो आ जाओ। भावना आ गया था इनका नंबर। चलो सिट डाउन। चलो कृष्णा आ जाओ। और चलो नेहा कम।
Good evening, guys. How are you doing? I'm good. Newton, how's your life? It's cool.
Good evening, guys. How are you doing? I'm good. Me too. And how's your life? Me too. Do you speak English?
I speak English.
Does he speak English?
He speaks English.
Did you speak English?
I spoke English.
Did he speak English?
He spoke English.
Do you learn English?
I learned English.
Does he learn English?
He learns English.
Did you learn English?
I did not learn English.
Did you learn English?
He learned English.
Do you learn computer?
I learned computer.
Does he learn computer?
He learns computer.
Did you learn computer?
I did not learn computer.
Did you learn computer?
He learned computer.
Do you take tea?
I take tea.
Does he take tea?
He takes tea.
Did you take tea?
I did not take tea.
Did he take tea?
He took tea.
Do you take milk?
I take milk.
Does he take milk?
He takes milk.
Did you take milk?
I took milk.
Did you take milk?
He took milk.
Do you brush the teeth?
I brush the teeth.
Does he brush the teeth?
He brushes the teeth.
He brushes the teeth. Did you brush the teeth?
I did not brush the teeth.
Did he brush the teeth?
He brushed the teeth.
Do you gargle?
I gargle.
Does he gargle?
He gargles.
Did you gargle?
I gargled.
Did he gargle?
He gargled.
Do you pray to God?
I pray to God.
Does he pray to God?
He prays to God.
Did he pray to God?
He prayed to God.
Did you pray to God?
I prayed to God.
Do you abuse?
I do not abuse.
Does he abuse?
He abuses.
Did you abuse?
I did not abuse.
Did he abuse?
He abused.
Do you boast?
I boast. I did not boast.
Does he boast?
He boast.
Did you boast?
I did not boast.
Did he boast?
He boast.
Yes.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Does he speak English?
He speaks English.
Did he speak English?
What?
Did he speak English?
He spoke English.
Did you speak English?
I spoke English.
Do you learn computer?
I do not learn computer.
Does he learn computer?
He does not learn computer.
Did you learn computer?
I did not learn computer.
Did he learn computer?
He learned computer.
Do you appreciate music?
I appreciate music, but sometimes.
Did he appreciate music?
He appreciated music. He appreciated music.
Did he appreciate music?
He did not appreciate music.
Does he appreciate music? Does he appreciate music?
He appreciated music.
He appreciates.
He appreciate music. Does पूछा does.
Does
He appreciates.
He appreciates
music.
music.
Okay, got a seat grab for them. चलिए नेक्स्ट। प्रीत, दिव्यांश।
Good afternoon, guys.
Good evening, guys. How are you? Me too.
You ask.
You ask.
You ask.
Did you play?
I play.
Did he play? Did he play?
He played.
Does he play? Does he play?
He plays.
Did you play? Did you play?
I play.
Do you appreciate music?
I appreciate
Does
music.
he appreciate music?
He appreciates music.
Did you appreciate music? Did you appreciate music?
I appreciate music.
Do you smoke?
I do not smoke.
Does he smoke?
He does not smoke.
Did you smoke?
I did not smoke.
Did he smoke?
He did not smoke.
Did you abuse?
I did not abuse.
Did you abuse?
He did not abuse.
Do you gargle?
I do not gargle.
Did he gargle?
He gargles.
Does he gargle?
gargled.
He gargled.
Does he gargle? Does he gargle?
He gargles.
Did you gargle? Did you gargle?
I gargles.
Did you
क्या did you?
gargle?
I gargled होगा. I gargle से होता
I
रहेगा.
gargle.
Did you go to Amargad? Did you go to
अरे
Amargad?
अमरगढ़ में खड़ा होकर ना कहेंगे did you go to अमरगढ़? Did you come to अमरगढ़?
Did you come to Amargad?
I come to Amargad.
I came.
I came to Amargad.
और लिसे केयरफुली आंसर भी तो देख. आंसर सही आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Did you go to Bulandshahr?
I went to Bulandshahr.
You ask.
Do you play?
I play.
Does he play?
He plays.
Did he play?
He played.
Does you play? Did you play?
I played.
Does he do you contribute?
Contribute?
हाँ योगदान देना.
I contribute.
Does he contribute?
He contributes.
Did he contribute?
He did. He
Did he
did he? I contributed.
I contributed.
I contributed.
Do you go to Noida?
क्या पूछा?
Did he पूछा?
अच्छा did he पूछा? तो he contributed.
He contributed.
Do you go to Noida?
Do you go to Noida? I go to Noida. I go to Noida, but sometime.
Sometimes.
Did he go to Bulandshahr?
He goes to Bulandshahr. Went to Bulandshahr.
Did he go to Nation American?
अच्छा नेशनल में खड़ा होकर did he go to? Did he come to?
Did he come to Nation American?
He came.
Did he appreciate music?
He appreciated the music.
Did you appreciate music?
I appreciated music.
Okay, go to sit clap for them. Next. चलो आमनी. Come. अंजलि.
Good afternoon, guys. How are you? I'm good. We don't how's your life? It's good. Yes, good. Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? I'm good. Thank you. Me too. And how's your life? It's good. Yes. Fantastic. You ask. Do you take tea? I take tea. Does he take tea? He takes tea. Did he take tea? He takes tea.
He took tea.
He took tea. Did you take tea? I took tea. Do you take milk? I take milk. Does he take milk? He takes milk. Did he take milk? He took milk. Did you take milk? I took milk. Do you appreciate music? I appreciate music. Does he appreciate music? He appreciates music. Did he appreciate music? He appreciated music.
अरे be silent.
Did you appreciate music? I appreciated music. Do you learn computer? I do not learn computer. Does he learn computer? He does not learn computer. Did he learn computer? He did not learn computer. Did you learn computer? I did not learn computer. Do you brush the teeth? I brush the teeth. Does he brush the teeth? He brushes the teeth. Did he brush the teeth? He brushes the teeth. You are making mistake. We are making mistake. Did he appreciate music? Appreciate music. Did he brush the teeth? He brushed the teeth. Did you brush the teeth? I brushed the teeth.
Sit clap for them. चलिए नेक्स्ट. चलो नेक्स्ट. समर का नंबर आ गया था. समर कम और शिवा.
Good evening, guys. How are you doing? I'm good. Thank you. Me too. How's your life? It's good. Me too.
Good evening, guys. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you.
Me too.
Do you take tea?
I take tea.
Does he take tea?
He takes tea.
Did you take tea?
He took tea.
You are making mistake.
Did you take tea?
Did you take tea?
Did you take tea?
अरे तुमने चाय पी थी कि नहीं? Did you take tea? You. He is asking about you.
What?
I take tea.
I took tea.
I took tea.
Did he take tea?
He is take tea.
You are making
He
mistake.
take tea.
He took tea.
He took tea. Second form.
Do you smoke?
I do not smoke.
Does he smoke?
He smoke.
He smokes.
He smokes.
Did you smoke?
He smoke.
You are making mistake.
He smoked.
He smoked.
Did you smoke?
I did not smoke.
Smoke.
Do you take milk?
I take milk.
Does he take milk?
He take milk. He take milk.
You are making mistake.
He takes
He
milk.
takes milk.
Did you take milk?
He takes milk.
Did you take milk? Did you?
Take milk.
I took milk.
I took milk.
You ask.
Do you take tea?
I take tea.
Does he take tea?
He takes tea.
Do you take tea? Do you take tea?
What?
Do you take tea?
I take tea.
Do you go to market?
I go to market.
Does he go to market?
He goes to market.
Does he?
One sit clap for them. चले नेक्स्ट निशी कम जल्दी से आओ प्रिया हाँ प्रिया कम
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? I'm good. Thank you. Me too. Sir, Michael. Did you take lunch? I take lunch. Do you take lunch?
Did you take lunch? I took lunch होगा फास्ट
I took lunch. Do you take lunch? I take lunch.
स्पीक लाउडली both of you speak loudly
Do you take bath?
आवाज निकालो थोड़ा डू यू टेक बात ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ डू यू टेक बात ऐसे
I take bath. Did you take bath? I took bath.
I took bath
Did you learn computer? I learned computer. Did you learn?
I learnt second form I learnt computer
I learned computer. Did you learn English? I learned English. Learned English.
so speak loudly
I learned English. Do you go to college? I go to college. Does he go to college? He goes to college. Did you go to college? I go to college. I went to college. Do you speak English? I speak English. Does he speak English? I spoke English. Did you speak English?
you ask
Did you take tea? I took tea.
speak loudly थोड़ा तेज बोलो डर क्यों रहे हो
Do you take tea? I take tea. Do you take bath?
I take bath.
Did you take lunch?
I took lunch.
Did you smoke?
I
I did not smoke.
did not smoke.
Do you go to college?
I do not go to college.
Do you? Do पूछा? हाँ okay.
Do you go to market?
I go to market.
Do you go to college? School?
I do not go to school.
Did you take bath?
I took bath.
Do you laugh?
I laugh.
Do you backbite?
I do not backbite.
Do you tell a lie?
I do not tell a lie.
Okay, go to sit, clap for them. चलिए नेक्स्ट ऋषभ शिवम.
Good evening, guys. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Me too. Good evening, guys. Do you take tea? I take tea. Does he take tea? He takes tea. Did you take tea? He took tea.
Did you? I took tea.
I took tea. Do you play to God? I play to God. Does he play to God? He prays to God. Did you play to God?
I prayed to God.
I pray to God. Do you work hard? I work hard. Does he work hard? He works hard.
He works hard.
Did you work hard?
You ask.
Do you take tea? I take tea. Does he take tea? He takes tea. Did you take milk? Did you take tea? I took tea. Do you take milk? I take milk. Does he take milk? He takes milk. Did you take milk? I took milk. Do you laugh? I laugh. Does he laugh? He laughs. Did you laugh? I am laughing.
I laughed.
I laughed.
I laughed. Second.
I laughed. Do you speak English? I speak English. Does he speak English? He speaks English. Did he speak English? I spoke English.
Did he? He पूछा बेटा है? Did he? हैं? Did he पूछा? दोबारा पूछा.
Did you take two? Did you
Speak English.
do you speak English?
Did you?
Did you speak English? I spoke English.
Okay, go to sit. Clap for them. चलिए तो बाकी का नंबर फिर आएगा. प्रैक्टिस करके आना है. प्रैक्टिस में अभी भी कमी है और मैं बाबा कह रहा हूँ कि प्रैक्टिस क्लास आपको मतलब प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा करना है घर पर जाके, क्योंकि क्लास तभी आपका बढ़िया हो पाएगा, क्योंकि पास्ट के बारे में थोड़ा ज़्यादा आपको करना पड़ेगा. गॉट इट? ठीक है. सॉल्व फॉर टुडे और मीट टुमारो. नेक्स्ट ब्रेक.